Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 12.5-inch QLED touchscreen spatial head unit for Audi Q7 ISQ7 SQ7 25 to 2015 years. It will come with a spatial dash kit and harness. This frame dash kit and metal installation kit and power cable, small speaker and connection, factory plug and play. Okay, let me show the head unit. It has built-in the high resolution and QLED touchscreen. You can check. You have video, music, navigation, phone link, car information, dashboard, apps, DVR settings. You can check this dashboard. And settings. This system settings for parking, rear backup camera, and system information. Android 13. Storage 128 and RAM 8 GB. Built-in Play Store and Google Maps, and Z-Link 5 for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Let me check the settings, factory settings. This factory settings. Password 1314. Okay, this factory function and settings. HD camera. Okay, this is vehicle settings. This AUX switching mode, you can search the auto menu. And car display, this factory, please choose factory cars display and the settings. And this UI style, you can choose a different other UI. This boot logo. If you select it and reboot the head unit, it will save the settings. You can check there, reboot the settings in here. Okay, this is factory settings. And this video. It's supposed to play the 4K video. Okay. and these settings you can adjust the sound volume and other settings. Music, it will show the picture display. You also can play the USB there to USB cable, and running the different app is built in the Google navigation with the Bluetooth. Please pair the Bluetooth and open the Bluetooth from your phone at first. You can check this Bluetooth and click search. Click this and pair. Your phone will get a message. Please click pair and connection successfully. And this context listing you can refuse or lower it, and make phone call.
For English service, please click 3.
Okay, and you can stream music from your phone. Okay, it supports the streaming music from your phone. This phone link for the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and you can check the volume updates. Okay. And this supports the USB DVR camera. All apps are here, and this DSP amplifier. You also can adjust the sound. Okay. Z-Link app for the radio. This way there, and also you can download the applications from Play Store, and you can visit our website to contact us if you have any more questions. Okay, that's all. Thank you.